Thank you for tuning into my video. Today I'm trying to fan the creative flames by just making some content I like to watch in my free time, and I hope you all enjoy it as well. I'm starting off by pre-washing the dishes before adding them to the dishwasher because I do not trust the dishwasher to clean them entirely, and my bad for the dish soap being in the way, but Palm Olive, if you're down for a sponsor, I am too. So now I'm just starting the dishwasher and just going to wipe down all the countertops and make sure everything is squeaky clean. I had some laundry to clean, so I'm just filling up the wash and letting it run while I continue cleaning the house. I like using the light scent beads and Tide Pods because they're amazing for sensitive skin, and my skin gets very sensitive in the winter. I'll have these and everything else in the video linked down below. Now, I wanted to try my hand at a video I saw on Pinterest for cleaning fabric couches, and child, I'm gonna be real, it wasn't as effective as they try to make it seem. Granted, my couch wasn't that dirty, so I don't know, maybe somebody else might like it, maybe it'll work for you. Let me know if you've done this before, or maybe I did something wrong, but it didn't do that much for me. Now I'm following up with some Lysol just for the scent, honestly. And now it is my favorite part, cleaning the bathroom. Again, I'll have everything linked down below, but I'm just showing you my process for cleaning the tub here. This baby is an electric spin scrubber, or as I like to call it, a back saver, because I do not want to have to bend sub 90 degrees to clean the tub, and this helps with exactly that. This isn't sponsored, but it's just such a lifesaver that I had to show y'all. It comes with multiple brush heads, but I mainly use 2 of them because I really only just clean the tub with it. So here we are the next day, and I'm doing my makeup to head out to eat with my friend. Low-key, this was supposed to be a makeup tutorial situation, but I wasn't feeling my base makeup today. Like, I think I applied either too much concealer or too much setting powder. It just wasn't working for me. But I got y'all next time. I tried a few new products. That Huda Beauty setting powder in cinnamon bun is like amazing. It literally looks like a filter. It's so nice. And I was also super excited to try the Naked Urban Decay and Robin Heinsberg palette that they sent over to me. I tried this cute little blue look and I thought it was really cute, even though I don't typically wear color. So I'd say check it out if you like wearing color. Now I'm back from a night out. I'm just gonna wash off my makeup and do a little, 10-minute sheet mask. My skin has been so dry with how cold it is outside, so this mask was definitely very needed. This is like the only sheet mask I use, so please do not sell it out. Please. I also topped it off with my moisturizer before heading off to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button and a like if possible to help out with the algorithm. So until next time, see you later. Bye.